Firefly Online just got a major update. New editing tools, smarter boards, and quick actions. Let's try a few. First up, editing images. To get to this, go to Create, then Edit an Image. Firefly 5 now understands natural language. You can literally tell it what to change. Here I'll type in remove her sunglasses, and that's it. Firefly knows how to erase and fill in the missing details automatically. Next, I'm going to upload an image and I'm going to use Flux Kontext Pro to add it to a t-shirt. Flux is still my favorite for mockups, and it automatically fits and lights it correctly. A Nano banana is perfect for creative scenes. I'll take this studio shot and turn the background into a grassy hill. And I'll add a dog. What's really cool is that Nano automatically adjusts the lighting so the woman and the dog look like they were photographed together. Next, quick actions. Firefly connects to Adobe Express, which provides simple, guided tools to edit, animate, and share your designs fast. Remove background gives you a clean cutout instantly. And Clipmaker can turn your video into social media video clips, complete with captions. Canva doesn't do this. Firefly takes your uploaded video and does the work for you. Next, your stuff. You can now access your projects and generation history right from the Firefly menu. Everything you've created, images or videos, is saved automatically. And now you can select history items and add them directly to a board. It finally feels like a creative library, everything you've made all in one place. Boards just got a big upgrade. You'll find new presets, editable prompts, and a built-in Generative Upscale powered by Topaz Labs Bloom. Let's start with the 3D illustration preset. It instantly adds depth and shading to give it that 3D look. Next, the Colorize preset. It transforms black and white photos with warm tones and natural color in seconds. Now I'll switch to Loose Sketch, and then click View Prompt to edit it. If I change the AI model to Firefly 5, it creates a much richer, more detailed drawing. Now we're going to use Generative Upscale on a very low-res image. After hitting Upscale, make sure to select your level of enhancement. Topaz Bloom boosts clarity and texture, all without leaving boards. And that's what's new in Firefly's fall updates: smarter edits, quick video tools, and high-res upscales with Topaz Bloom. Try it now at firefly.adobe.com, and stay tuned for more Firefly tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe.